This video demonstrates how to install Greasemonkey into Firefox. Click on the right upper corner in the Settings menu. Open up Add-ons. Then search for Greasemonkey. Click on Greasemonkey. Add it to Firefox. Click on Add, and you can allow the extension to run in a private window if you so choose. The little Greasemonkey icon now appears in the right upper corner. I will close down these windows for ease of use. Going back to the blank scheduler screen, the Greasemonkey icon now appears. This is the default screen for Greasemonkey, where you can export a script, you can import a script, and you can create your own user scripts. To obtain previously designed scripts, you can go to GitHub. The link will be on our handout. This is a repository of all my Greasemonkey scripts. As an example, I will choose the allergies script. Click on allergy screen. It brings up the script. Go over to raw, R-A-W. Click on raw, and it will bring up an install screen. Click on install, and it is completed. If you now go to the Greasemonkey icon, the allergy script is there. To go back to the scheduler screen, I'm now going to upload a previously exported Greasemonkey file. This is a zip file of all my Greasemonkey scripts. I will import it from my flash drive. The screen comes up, overwrite already installed scripts, browse for your flash drive, which is found here, Greasemonkey backup that I did previously, click and install. All my previously saved Greasemonkey scripts should now appear in the Greasemonkey icon, and there they are. Now if we go back to the scheduler screen, Greasemonkeys that are active within this screen will be in the upper part of this menu. Other Greasemonkeys that are not active in this particular screen will be found here. Once I refresh the screen, the Greasemonkey scripts will be seen. Buttons, various links, and that will be on a separate video.